My name is Steve Schwartzapfel. I represent people that have been injured, where somebody else broke the rules. I seek to go ahead and hold that person accountable. Often when somebody's involved in a New York auto accident, they're in a state of shock, a state of disbelief. They're not certain what to do. So let me share with you certain things that you should do to protect yourself and your family. First, cars off the road. I can't tell you how many accidents I've seen where people leave the cars, get out, look at the damage in the middle of a freeway, and often stand between the vehicles such that they expose themselves to further injury. Looking at the property damage while the vehicle is still on the traveled portion of the highway is extremely dangerous. Next, call 911, summon the police. Even if the other side says, or the person who hit you says, we don't need the police, we'll take care of it, call the police. You don't know if the person is insured, has no insurance, or is going to just leave the scene. Next thing, take photographs. Use your cell camera. Take photographs of the property damage, of the surroundings, of the vehicles, of any injuries you have. Next, get the information from the driver. The other driver is obligated to go ahead and give his name, license, insurance card. Get the insurance company and the serial number. Also, get the names of witnesses. Very often there's witnesses, bystanders, good Samaritans that come to your aid, and they're there to help you, and you're not thinking clearly. Make certain you get their witnesses' statements, names and addresses, because what you need to do is preserve the evidence early on. When the police or ambulance arrive, and you are feeling any pain, however minor, go in the ambulance to the emergency room. Very often, there's a latency period. A lot of injuries don't occur until much later on. In fact, the insurance company will argue that you must have not have been seriously injured, even though later you may require surgery because you didn't go in the ambulance. So though it may be embarrassing, if you feel any discomfort or pain, get in the ambulance. Once you're at the hospital, don't exaggerate, but go ahead and document. Share every complaint or concern you have with the doctor, however minor. In the event you sustained a fracture, the doctor's going to be looking just at the broken arm. But if your knee hurts or shoulder hurts or ankle hurts, let them know, document it. Because the defense and insurance companies will later claim you must have hurt yourself elsewhere, even if you complained a week later, because at the time you went to the hospital, you did not voice a complaint. So, you're going to get in the ambulance, you go to the hospital, you give every complaint, however minor, to the doctors. If you were involved in a New York auto accident, these are the things you should do. First, get the vehicles off the road. 2, call police. 3, take photographs. 4, exchange the contact information, name, address, insurance company, make, model of the vehicle, license plate number, insurance company information. Any witnesses that are present, get their names, numbers, contact information. Police show up, do not give a statement. Do not admit fault. Next, go to the emergency room. Give all complaints, however minor. Lastly, follow up with the insurance company. And most importantly, call me. I will help you through this difficult and stressful process.